Imagine walking into a store, grabbing whatever you want and simply walking out. No checkout, no staff, no scanning, and no alarms. It feels almost illegal, but it's not. It's one of the most advanced retail technologies in the world, and you can find it in New York City. I'm talking about Amazon Go, a store powered entirely by computer vision, sensors, and real-time AI. It looks simple from the outside, but the technology behind it is on another level. Here's how it works. At the entrance, you tap your physical credit or debit card. There's no need for the Amazon app, especially if your account isn't registered in the United States. The system charges $1 just to verify the card, and that amount disappears later. Once you're inside, the technology takes control. Above your head, hundreds of cameras track every movement in the store. They don't identify your face or who you are. Instead, they track objects. Using computer vision and weight sensors on the shelves, the system knows exactly what you pick up, what you return, and what you keep. In my case, I tried using the Amazon app, but because my profile wasn't registered in the US, it didn't work. The physical card worked instantly, so if you ever test technology like this, that's the easiest way. You tap to enter, you grab what you need, and when you walk out, the system automatically charges you. That's it. No queues and no interaction with staff. What makes this impressive is what happens behind the scenes. Amazon Go uses a combination of deep learning models, multi-camera tracking, and sensor fusion to generate a virtual shopping basket that updates in milliseconds. Each item has a digital identity linked to changes in shelf weight, and the cameras constantly validate which product moved and who interacted with it. The result is a frictionless retail experience. You don't scan anything, you don't confirm anything, and you don't interact with any machine. You just walk in and walk out. From a technology standpoint, it's one of the best examples of how computer vision and AI can completely transform a real-world environment. If you're passionate about emerging tech, Amazon Go isn't just a store. It's a live demonstration of what's possible when AI and automation are integrated into everyday life. And if you enjoy videos about real applications of artificial intelligence, robotics, and cutting-edge systems like this, consider subscribing. I cover some of the biggest tech events like CES and MWC, and I bring you examples of technology that's already shaping the future. Amazon Go may look small, but the technology inside represents a huge step forward for retail automation. This is not a concept. This is not a prototype. This is the future, already working in New York.